Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. I'm here with
Julia
and
Alexis. We're called Heartland Ray together, but those are our individual names.
Yeah, we have individual names too.
Sarah.
Sarah is my new best friend. My other new best friend, what's your name?
Amber.
Amber.
Aniela.
Aniela. That's French.
It's Polish. Amber.
Amber, how you doing, Amber?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm great. Where are you at right now? Where are we at?
We are at the Fanfix house.
Fanfix, brought to you by Fanfix. Have you ever had a bad Uber experience?
I do. I fell in love with my Uber driver. My Uber picked me up and he was really hot. He had tattoos. He was a bad boy and we started dating and I got obsessed with him and then it just didn't work out. But
I hated him with a passion. He sucked. He tried stealing her money and I kicked him out of our house and I was like, bye-bye Uber driver, bye-bye.
Wait, so you invited your Uber driver to your house?
well, we were talking, we went on dates and then he came over and then he asked me where I kept my money and then he tried to rummage through her bathroom and go through her stuff, so we had to get him out of the house.
Anyway, we're roommates. We've been best friends since first grade, so we have a lot of history. So I'm able to really just kick him out and tell him bye-bye.
Okay, fair enough. So how long did you see your Uber driver for?
It went on for about 6 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then one it started fizzling out, and then one day he texted me, he goes, "Miss you," and I didn't respond. He goes, "Miss me or nah?" And so we call him Miss Me.
Miss me. Have you ever had a bad Uber experience?
I've had one bad Uber experience, but it wasn't because of the Uber driver. It was because of my drunk friend ending up puking in the back seat of the Uber's car. And
Your friend threw up in the back seat?
yeah, and then we got told we had to get out of the car and get another Uber, that we couldn't be in his car no longer. And we were like,
So
okay.
so your Uber driver kicked you out?
Yeah, we got booted. They just left us on the side of the street. Don't know where we were, but we had to get out.
Dang. Did he hit you with the cleaning fee?
No, I don't think. No.
Okay, fair enough. So basically you got kicked out of the car and you were stranded on the streets?
Yeah, and then we just called another Uber.
And then you threw up in that one too?
No, we held her back that time. I had to hold my friend back. I was like, don't do it. And she's like,
What's been a bad experience as an Uber?
For an Uber driver, when they start telling you about their morning and why they're mad at their wife.
Yes, it's just stop talking. I don't care about you.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. It's not that I don't care. It's just
You have other things going on.
Exactly. And it's a work situation. And it's obviously I care on a humanity level, but or they just drive like maniacs.
Yeah. So did you rate that driver a 1 star?
I didn't even rate them. I didn't even touch the rating. No.
Have you ever had a bad Uber experience?
Yeah, in LA.
Let's hear it.
Okay, so me and my friends were in the car whipping it from an event back to our place, and the Uber driver was speeding a lot. He was turning illegally and just dangerous driving. And then we were let us out, we want to get out, we want to call another Uber, drop us off here.
Oh wow, so you asked him to pull over during the ride?
Yeah, he goes, no, you guys are gonna stay. No, I'm taking you guys home safely.
So he held you hostage during the ride?
Basically. And then I was like, I'm calling 911 if you don't pull over right now. So then he pulls over, lets us out of the car. He said something weird to my friend. And then we were on the side of the road at some random mansion.
Wait, so how did that work? You asked him, let's back up a second. You said pull over and he goes no.
Yeah, basically. He said, no, I'm getting you home safely.
So he finally lets you out, and then what happens?
Then we sit and wait in someone's parking lot for another Uber.
Okay. Wow, the Uber drivers out there, do not, if somebody asks you to pull over, you should probably not resist.
Probably not, yeah.
Okay. How can my audience find you guys? Are you guys on social media?
We are at Heartland Ray on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything. And then we also have a podcast called Excuse My Friend. So add Excuse My Friend everywhere and all streaming platforms.
Those stories, all the good stories on that podcast. Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll definitely make sure to link your podcast below. Your name is Amber. How can they find you on social media?
They can find me on social media at AMBERR, Amber with 2 R's on Instagram, and Amber Mesner on TikTok.
At Sarah_Alfalah on everything, so easy.
Sarah Alpha?
Alfalah.
Alfalar.
At Amber Woods Music on Instagram and at Amber Woods on everything else. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you for joining.
No problem.
Can you rate me 5 stars, please?
Adios. 5 stars.
Okay.
No tip.
All right. Thank you.